Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. This is a Country Craft Creations design team haul. I'm going to show you the next collection I'll be working on. I am going to be using Photoplay's Willow Creek Farm. See, it's called Willow Creek Farm, but on the cover sheet it said Willow Creek Highlands. So whatever, I noticed there's more in stock, so it's a good time for me to do a project. It obviously is an adorable farm theme, and I'm going to show you what it is I'm going to be using, so you can go ahead and get it. And by the time you've received it, I should have the project done and the tutorial all ready for you. So here I have the sticker sheet, and I'm just going to point out a couple of adorable things: the pig, the chickens, the truck, the cow with the flowers, and then I love this sort of banner thing. I like that. This says, "Our house is a very, very, very fine house. I love the farm, sweet farm." And then there's a couple of word stickers or phrase stickers, but not a heck of a lot, which I like because sometimes you have more than you can use. So there is that. And then there is a cut apart sheet, which will be very useful. Life is better on a farm, farm fresh eggs. That cow is stinking adorable. And then the back side of that is sort of a tone-on-tone green with a rooster weather vane look. I love that. Love it, love it, love it. Now we have some sunflowers, which these are pretty. You know what's neat about these is we've got the sunflowers, and then you've got sort of a teal, looks like eucalyptus to me, but I love those colors together. I think that's just adorable. The back side has this check with, you may see there's a little bit of design on it. It's not just a plain check. And what would a farm be without some bees? So we've got the sweet bees on that side, and then this is it's something different than Photoplay does, which I like. This is a 6x8 cut apart, which won't work for me because it's going the wrong way, and when you see my project you'll know what I mean. But then there's 4x4 cut aparts too, so those are very pretty. I love the bees. They're very pretty. This one is paper that's got all the signs on it. Who else has done this? I think Tiffany has picked up this collection, and I know Michelle, both from our design team from Country Craft Creation, has done a project already with this. So this has all of the signs, which is great. You can use that. You can cut it apart. And then there is some wood grain on the back. So this is called Meadow. So we've got small little delicate flowers on that side. And in the back is this chicken wire. Now I've used this for making cards because I have some chicken stamps. So pick up some extra of this because it's very useful. This one is called Country Barns, and that's what it is. Just a bunch of different barns in the normal red. And then the back is a cow print. So you get a lot of good patterns. And then I also have the My Colors cardstock, which comes in. So this is the sunflower color. This sort of has a shimmer to it. This is called Chinese red. Come on. This one is called Cotton Grass. It's got dots on it. You may be able to see slate dots. And then this is Cypress. So these colors will go real well with the elements of the collection. We'll put this here so you can see the colors. See, perfect green. Love the yellow. The red is fabulous. So there's that. I don't know how much of that I will use, but I'll use some. My Colors cardstock is a really good quality cardstock. What is good about it is the colors are throughout. It's core dyed, so there's not like a white core to it. And it's a good 80 pound, so it's a nice weight to it. So there is My Colors cardstock. Now I also have had in my stash 100-pound Country Craft Creations cardstock. I'm going to be using this for the project. I will be able to also use some of my smaller scraps of my 87-pound cardstock. This is the artisan cardstock. It's got a linen texture to it. You can hear it. It's 100 pounds, so it's a good sturdy weight. So I will be using that on the project. Probably 4 or 5 sheets of 100-pound, not a lot. And again, I'll be using some of my larger scraps, like the 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, or 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 scraps. So I will be using that. I also will be using some lightweight chipboard. So I have a sheet of it here. Country Craft Creations carries chipboard in different weights, and I wanted to use a weight that would be easy to cut. We're also going to be layering other things on top of it. So yeah, lightweight chipboard from Country Craft Creations. So that is what I'm going to be using for my next design team project. So go ahead to the website. I noticed there were several of these, so they must have gotten another shipment in. I don't know, but it's back in stock. So there we go. So go to Country Craft Creations. These items will be listed in the description box, even though I have the individual sheets, which you can get, but I'll also list the collection pack, which has the stickers in it as well. So thanks so much for watching and have a fabulous day.